Python tutorial. In this Python tutorial we're going to be going over string slicing or splicing. This can also be done on lists, so it's not just relevant to strings, but we'll be showing both over the course of this tutorial. So to start with, we're going to go ahead and print string with our square brackets here. And what you want to do is you want to give it a number, so like say -1. This will give you the last value on the item as it goes from here and jumps back to the end. And I can prove this by showing the console output. So you can see here it gives us an S. So if we went and changed this to say 15, let's go 5 to 10. So what it's going to do is it's going to start at 0. It's going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it should give us somewhere around here. It should give us there or something similar. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this. You'll see it gives us the space before there and THER, not including the last E. Now this can obviously be used in conjunction with, say, resetting the string or getting a segment of the string. So you can go like string equals and it'll apply this slice to the string variable, overwriting this. But that is pretty self-explanatory, and I don't think I need to show that. Now, if we wanted to say make a list here, say we had and we wanted to go like this. Then we can go ahead and slice stuff out of that using the indexing of the list. So we can go ahead and print string, and we can go ahead and put our slicing on the end of it. And say we want to take 0, we want to take from there to slicing. So we want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 6. Actually no, you want to go 7. 6 will go 6. Yeah, so it's still taken from the start, not the value that we've given here. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case we want to go 7, so we want to go 1 more. So let's go down to the command line and show this. Upon running it, you'll see there's someone. This is a slicing. So the original was hello there, someone. This is a slicing test, and so it's taking the hello off the beginning and test off the end. This can be useful in recursion, say when you need to take, say, the start and end off a list to pass it through to the next recursion. And you can do that by going, say, string equals, or in a function you'd obviously go return. But yeah, that's primarily what it'd be used for, and it's actually pretty useful considering once you learn how to use it properly. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Alright, hello there guys. You've obviously made it to the end of the video, so you've obviously enjoyed it or had to watch the whole thing at least. So if you could consider subscribing, that would be a great help to my channel. If you have any suggestions for future videos, make sure to drop them in the comments below. Like the video to show your support to me, so that I can know whether you like the content that I'm making. And yeah, hope to see you in the